All right, there's 3 for Brownie, 2 for Lyria, and a little left over. So the lids for the leftovers, I usually just keep them in here, and it's made to fit pretty snugly, so you can put it away for dinner. Okay, now I'm gonna put down Brownie's food. This is similar. Brownie, get down. No, honey. Honey, honey. I got it for you. I got it for you. Yes. There she goes. All right, and this part's the same. I just give them a little double click after I feed them, and then close the door, of course. So yeah, after your comment last time, I looked up cat feeding. I'm also going to put this down so that Brownie can finish it up for us. I looked up feeding the kittens, and I figured out I was feeding her way too little. I was giving her Lyria's weight loss portion, and she's a growing kitten, so she gets 1.5 times Lyria's food now. Pretty straightforward. 3 ounces for Brownie, 2 ounces for Lyria, and you'll need 2 cups, and you'll have a little left over usually. All right, say bye. Say bye, girl. Yep. Oh, you're horking it down. All right. Okay, bye.